Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage followers on X. So to manage followers on X, you can remove unwanted followers, you can approve or decline follow requests, or you can block accounts. So let's begin with removing unwanted followers. You should go to your preferred browsing system because the option to remove unwanted followers on X mobile application unfortunately is not available, and you can do that only in your browser. So in your browser, search for x.com, then sign into your X account. And now finally, when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and access your profile. Now find followers count right here, and at the top of the screen select followers section, and next to specific follower that you want to remove, you have to find three-dot button and select option remove this follower. They will not be notified that you removed them, and when they want to see your posts, they will have to follow you once again. Okay, so now with approving or declining follower requests, first of all, your profile should be private if you want to receive such follower requests. So let's go to X application and tap your profile picture in the top left. Then scroll a little bit down to settings and privacy, and here from the list of those sections you need to find privacy and safety, and then go to audience and tagging, and at the top of the screen you should see this option that says protect your posts, and please make sure that it's enabled. So this way, from this moment, your account is private. And let's read this message that X says: only show your post to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. Okay, and from this moment, when someone follows me, I will receive my follower request, which I can find if I tap my profile picture, and here from the list of those sections I will need to find follower request tab, and here I can either accept or decline follower requests from someone. And the last way how you can manage your followers on X is by blocking accounts. So let's go to my followers tab. I go to my profile and go to followers tab. At the top I select my followers, and I have to go to their profile, to profile of the follower that I want to block. And in the top right corner of my screen I want to find three-dot button, and here select option to block this user. If you tap it, you will see confirmation, and of course you want to confirm it, confirm your action, and that's how you can block someone on X. So yeah, that were the main 3 ways how you can manage your followers on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.